Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bak penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Ka Menteri ka Sorkar Jala ka Bakhmi ya katanat ka koi kakhia ka Dr. Amperin Lingdo ha ka khatpradrik ulber arajar arpsan kala ong ba ka Sorkar kampatshim ya kanukono ka rai ya ka jingkarpat jong ka University of Science and Technology Meghalaya ban a jingra Pisa Arts pa Klur Khlem da khenye kasut khanang ban pentrai kamno ya ka PA sangma Medical College and Hospital ka balong ka Private Medical College baningkong e ha Meghalaya. Haba kentho ya ka jingkno jong ka BJP ka Dr. Amperin kalaong wat shu mudur Khlem da wat shua ya ka jingtep ki batikna bat ongru ba onda ka Sorkar kala mang ya ka Pisa kan sa pentip pajba namarba hadu menta ka Sorkar kadang shuyo tang ya ka jingkerpat handrai kampat shimrai halor kane.
Please do not presume anything. Presumption is unverified information. When government makes its sanction, you will get to know. But as of today, there has been a request made. Government has not yet taken a call. When we are ready to take the call, we will let the public know. But as of now, nothing of that has happened. So we cannot presume a lot of information. Good that you've come straight to me, and I'm telling you that yes, hundreds of institutions will give us requests. But we evaluate all of these requests in the right spirit, in the right manner, and yes, we will scrutiny everything. The conditions of what they're asking, the impact of whether or not what they're asking will be result oriented. As of today, Ustm has been given an NOC from the government of Meghalaya to operate its medical college in the name of PA Sangma International Medical College. That's the only information I can give you at this time, which is relevant and which is what is actually happening. It is unfair for anyone to have a debate on a presumption. It is not correct. That is not how we govern. And we will inform you accordingly, as and when the need arises. Go on any backfooting for anything. A medical college in the state of Meghalaya run privately by an institution is good for the students of Meghalaya. Because we are in our NOC serving, we also have certain terms and conditions which are mandatory. That enables us to allow our students to have access to higher and technical education, which at this point of time or at that point of time we could not do. Hopefully our own medical college will come. Hopefully 2 more of our own medical colleges will perform and act and start functioning. At that time, we may not need. As of today, it is untrue, incorrect to presume anything. We were from day one already looking at the pros and cons of any decision that we need to take. As of now, there has been no decision taken. X, Y, Z inferences is up to whoever is inferring. We go by what we have decided and what we want to do, and we have evaluated all the pros and cons as to how a medical college of this nature could allow our students also to study there. And having that percentage of seats reserved for our people gives us an upper hand. What is going on in the institution is beyond our purview, and we do not debate on something which is not within our capacity to decide or discuss.